there a beast fighter?
It may be worse than that. Look.
What's that?
Yan ang aalamin nyo. I want you to go there and investigate. Tandaan nyo, hindi natin alam kung saan ito nanggagaling. Kaya be careful. Don't engage hanggat wala akong sinasabi. Move it!
Roger, Doctor!
Let's go, Little John.
Attention. Attention. All machines launch commencing. Attention. Launch operations ongoing.
What the heck is that?
Be careful, guys. Baka
What about the light on top? Bakit kaya may umiikot na ilaw?
Ooh, I can help. Octo One can scan it.
Go ahead, Octo One. Gamitin mo scanners mo.
Roger, Roger, Kuya Steve.
Be careful, Octo One.
Yep, yep.
Opening frigate, hatch now.
Okay, let's see. Uh-oh. We have a major problem.
What are you talking about?
Scanners reveal it's a neutrino bomb. This bomb is a world destroyer. When this goes off, it's game over. Adios, Tierra. Sayonara, chikyu.
Octo One, malalaman mo ba kung may timer to? Or active yung bomb? Or kailan sasabog? Please check.
Scanners confirm we have 15 minutes and 30 seconds, more or less. Or less?
Octo One, you better get back here. Mark the timer.
Roger, Roger, Kuya Steve.
Dr. Hook, what are we going to do with this? Doc, we only have 15 minutes left.
I know! Let me think. Sa space. Tama. Get the thing out of here at doon nyo yan pasabugin.
Roger. Team, we have to vault in, saka natin bubunutin tong bombang ito. Do you copy?
Copy.
Let's vote!
Come on, team. Let's pull this thing out.
Incoming transmission. Same alien frequency signature as before.
On screen. Ikaw na naman.
Huwag nyo nang pahirapan ang inyong mga sarili mga taga-Tererto. At tanggapin nyo na lang inyong mga kapalaran. Ilang sandali na lang ay sasabog na ang bombang yan. At magugunaw na rin ang inyong mundo!
May nagsabi na ba sa'yo na mukha kang uwang?
Uwang? Ano yun?
End transmission.
Sure, sir.
We can do this, guys! Pull harder!
Masyado mabigat!
Kuya, in-increase ko na yung energy level pero wala pa rin.
Dr. Hook, nothing happened. Di man lang ho gumalaw yung bomba.
Ilang minuto pang natitira.
13 minutes, Doctor.
Did you find a way to disable the timer?
Octo 1, may paraan ba?
Well, we have to crack the code, then cut the oscillating crystal timer. But we only have a few minutes, more or less. Or less.
Dr. Hook, what are we going to do now?
Bumalik na kayo dito. Do you hear me?
Steve, easy! Baka mag-detonate ka sa ginagawa mo eh.
No choice na tayo. We have to get to the timer and stop it.
Voltes team, hindi niyo ba ako naririnig? Back to base! Now!
What? Hindi, Doctor. Ano, hayaan lang natin sumabog yung bomba?
I said bumalik na kayo dito. That's an order!
Dr. Hook, we took an oath to protect and defend the Earth.
Steve, for Christ's sake, listen to me. Bumalik na kayo dito.
Kung sumabog man tong bombang to, mas gusto ko nang sumabog ng lumalaban. Team, we have to fight. Nako, Rocket!
Tigas ng ulo ng mga kaibigan niyo.
Laser sword! Steve, that's too dangerous. We have no choice, Mark.
Kuya, baka sumabog lang yan.
Tama si Kuya Bert, ayoko sumabog, Kuya.
Or maybe we won't, Little John.
Kuya Steve, tara na!
If you wanna go home now, sige, pwede ka nang bumalik. Team, mag-vote out na kayo. Magsistay ako dito. Mas gusto kong mamatay figuring out how to destroy this bomb. Save yourselves! Vote out now!
Steve, no! Steve, we're a team, okay? We will all stay, di ba, guys?
Oo. Sama-sama nating harapin to.
Okay, team. If that's the case, we only have 4 minutes left. Gagawin natin ang lahat to stop this bomb.
Steve, look up!
Ano yan? May bomba na may kalaban pa?
Ah! Team, get ready to fight kung kinakailangan. Roger!
Roger! Anong nangyayari?
I think he's trying to pull up the bomb. Sino tataghin yung bomba?
Si Papa! Maybe it's him! Sasabog na
bomb cleared the Earth's atmosphere. We're good!
Whoever they are, they saved our lives, guys.
Sino kaya yung pilot ng unidentified aircraft na yun?
Hindi kaya sila kasama sa Earth Defense Force, Doctor?
I don't think so. We collected a few data about the unidentified aircraft. Karamihan sa mga materials nito hindi available sa Earth.
Ibig sabihin, taga-Bosnia niya yung sasakyan na yon, Doctor.
Dr. Hook, the unidentified aircraft is back!
It's moving towards our direction.
Team, we have to protect the camp. Let's go!
Steve, wait! I don't think we're waiting for an enemy.
Attention, Camp Big Falcon.
Si Papa? Papa!
Bilang paghahanda sa pagsalakay ng imperyo ng Bosnia sa daigdig, nagsagawa kami ng mga makabagong teknolohiya na maaaring magtanggol sa atin laban sa mga mananakop. The Voltes 5, Camp Big Falcon, and the Solar Bird are parts of a whole defense strategy, as you will soon discover.
Anong ibig sabihin ni Papa, Kuya Steve?
Hindi ko rin alam, Little John.
Attention! Camp Big Falcon. Prepare for Solar Falcon transformation.
Lumilindol!
The whole camp is moving.
It's like the camp is levitating.
The whole control room. It's changing.
Nilipad nga tayo.
Cool! Nag-transform ang command center.
Everyone, proceed to your new stations. Move it!
Big Falcon and Solar Bird. Interlocking. Docking. Sequence commencing.
Did the computer say interlock?
Gets ko na. Mag-i-interlock ang Camp Big Falcon at yung unidentified aircraft kanina. Solar Bird pala ang tawag sa kanya.
Nagsanib puwersa na ng lakas ang Camp Big Falcon at ang Solar Bird.
Biosigns detected.
Jay, solo ko!
Look, something's happening.
Security tactical position!
Weapons down. Commander Guard.
Dr. Hook, isa ako sa mga kasamahang rebelde ni Pinunong Rothgar.
Pinunong Rothgar sa Busenya. Dr. Ned Armstrong naman dito sa Planet Earth.
Oo.
Commander Guard, gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo ang...
Kami ang Voltes team.
Si Papa po. Asan po siya?
Hindi namin siya kasama. Dinakip siya ng mga tauhan ni Emperador Zambujil. Kaya kailangan namin bumalik sa Bosenia para iligtas siya. Pati na rin ang ibang bihag niya. Kaya kailangan namin ang Camp Big Falcon. At ang Voltes 5.
Yes, sir. Tutulong ho kami sa pagliligtas kay Papa at sa iba niyong mga kasamahan.